Hey, what's up? In the last episode, we have shown you the process of tab edging the basic mattress. It was a satisfying process of binding top fabric to the side part of the mattress. The balanced tension of each fabric is the key to achieve the desirable result, ensuring the achievement of the firm structure and plump appearance of the mattress. The process has a great dependence on the operator's skills and experience, which cannot be replaced with automation. It is a process combining modern technology and traditional handcraft. This advanced tab edge machine is twice as expensive in terms of cost and maintenance in comparison to normal tab edge machine. This behemoth takes up more space, associated with huge improvements in the power of the sewing machine and the stability of the overall mechanical structure. The bearing capacity of the moving conveyor belt and turning machine are also much stronger and better. Other than machines, the materials used will be more particular, which requires stronger fabric and thread. The strength and durability of the tab edge strips are also crucial. In order to cope with the larger volume and weight of the mattress itself, and also need to consider possible strain caused by high body weight of the users. Did you know the strain of the thread used in NeckPro Mattress are strong enough to cut through fruits like watermelon? The tab edge of the mattress are required to have neat straight line as much as possible. If there is distortion and unevenness, it will not pass the quality check procedure. Before the packing process, the specialist will check the mattress for any possible defects, such as unnecessary threads or lint, and make sure the tab edge has a seamless finishing. They then use a high-pressure air gun to clear out the excess, and finally pack the new mattress with special plastic cover. In the process of compress and rolled, extreme requirements are needed on mattress spring, foam and felt, even plastic packaging. At the same time of compression, the package is completely sealed, forming a vacuum state inside of the package. Then, it is moved by a conveyor belt to the rolling section. Under the interaction of the roller and the conveyor belt, the mattress will be rolled into significantly smaller volume, and another layer of plastic cover will be applied to the roll mattress to reinforce the strength of the package and avoid unintentional leakage and causing the mattress to expand at unwanted situation. At last, the mattress is all ready for the shipment to the customer in this tiny little box. Interesting, huh? Well, that's all today. See you in the next video.